There are products sold in Japan that solve problems Americans live with every single day. Cramped closets, wasted cabinet space, rooms that feel smaller than they are, that have almost never made it to Western stores. Not because the technology is complicated, because the thinking behind them is different. Japanese space design doesn't ask how to organize what you have. It asks how to make what you have disappear when you're not using it and reappear exactly when you need it. Today, I'm showing you 10 products built on that thinking, products that most Americans have genuinely never seen. And when you see number 3, you'll understand why nobody ever struggles with that particular problem again after discovering it. All links are in the description. Let's go. 10. Overdoor Slim Pantry Organizer. Every home has a surface that's completely invisible and completely wasted. The back of every door. In Japan, the back of a door is real estate. In most American homes, it's air. The Overdoor Slim Pantry Organizer changes this with a calculation so simple, it's almost embarrassing. You have doors in every room. Each door has a back. That back is vertical space that currently holds nothing. A 9-tier metal organizer hooks over the top of any standard door. No drilling, no installation, no modification. It adds storage equivalent to an entire cabinet shelf in a space that previously contributed 0. Spices, cleaning supplies, toiletries, snacks, small bottles, canned goods, organized at eye level, accessible with one movement, visible at a glance. In Japanese apartment design, this is standard, not an innovation, standard. Because when you have 400 square feet and 4 people, every surface, including vertical doorbacks, gets considered. The door you open every day already has the storage you've been trying to find. You just hadn't looked at the right side of it. 9. Pull-out under-sink organizer. Open the cabinet under your kitchen or bathroom sink. What you'll find is one of the most reliably chaotic spaces in any Western home. A cave where cleaning supplies topple, bottles get lost at the back, and reaching for anything requires removing 3 things to get to the one you want. The problem isn't the products, it's that nothing slides. Japanese undersink organization solved this with a 2-tier pull-out drawer system engineered specifically for the awkward reality of undersink space. The pipe running through the middle that makes standard shelving useless. The L-shaped design wraps around the pipe. The bottom tier slides out on smooth rails. One pull brings everything at the back to the front. No kneeling, no reaching blind, no removing items to access items. The top tier holds smaller items above the pipe. The bottom tier handles everything else. One pull, everything visible, everything accessible. The pipe that made organization impossible becomes irrelevant. This is the difference between designing around an obstacle and pretending the obstacle doesn't exist. Japanese products almost always do the former. 8. Stackable rotating spice rack. Spice organization is one of those problems that generates enormous amounts of product and almost no actual solutions. Alphabetical organizers, magnetic walls, tiered shelves, all of them have the same fundamental flaw. The spice you want is always behind the one you don't need right now. Japanese kitchen organization addresses this with 2-dimensional thinking, not just depth. Rotation. A stackable rotating spice rack operates on a simple mechanism. Every tier spins 360 degrees independently. The spice at the back is 1 finger spin away from the front. There is no reaching past, no removing, no restacking. The stackable design adds the 2nd dimension. Multiple tiers in the same footprint. Your existing cabinet shelf that held 1 layer of scattered bottles now holds 3 organized rotating tiers in the same vertical space. The visual result is immediate. You can see every spice simultaneously. You know what you have. You stop buying duplicates of spices you couldn't find. You stop reaching past things you're trying to avoid. Japanese kitchens are small. They solve small kitchen problems better than anyone. This is one of the most transferable solutions. 7. Hanging closet organizer with transparent pockets. Here's the problem with standard closet organization. It's horizontal. Shirts hang side by side. You see the first 3. Everything else requires sliding hangers. What's at the back is effectively invisible, and invisible means forgotten. Japanese closet thinking goes vertical. A transparent hanging organizer adds 8 compartments to the vertical space your closet already has. It hangs from the rod on a simple hook. No installation. It occupies 0 additional floor or shelf space. Each pocket is transparent. You see every item at a glance without touching anything. Sweaters folded vertically. Accessories organized by category. Bags displayed instead of buried. The transformation is immediate. Items you forgot you owned become visible again. The closet goes from a collection of things you push past to a visible, organized inventory. And the hanging design means it comes with you when you move. Nothing permanent, nothing drilled, nothing left behind. Japanese closet organization doesn't expand the space. It multiplies the dimensions available within it. 6. Wall-mounted folding desk. In Japan, a room that can only serve one purpose is a room that's only earning a fraction of its value. The wall-mounted folding desk is the most direct expression of Japanese multi-purpose thinking applied to furniture. Mounted to any wall, it folds flat when not in use, just a few inches of depth against the wall, visually clean, taking up no floor space. Unfold it, and you have a full workspace with storage shelf. Fold it back, and the room becomes whatever the room is supposed to be. Bedroom, office, classroom, reading room, all in the same square footage at different times of day. For anyone working remotely who doesn't have a dedicated office space, which is most people, this converts any wall in the home into a functional workspace that disappears completely when the workday ends. There's no permanent desk taking up square footage for the 14 hours a day when no one is sitting at it. The Japanese design principle, furniture that serves one purpose permanently, is furniture that wastes space for the hours when that purpose isn't being served. Iro 5, Overdoor Shoe Organizer. Repurposed. This product is sold as a shoe organizer. Japanese households use it for almost everything except shoes. The clear pocket overdoor organizer, 24 to 36 pockets, transparent, hanging from the back of any door, becomes different systems in different rooms. Bathroom, hair tools, small products, cotton rounds, medications, each in its own visible pocket. Kitchen. Produce that doesn't need refrigeration, small pantry items, foil and plastic wrap rolls. Laundry room, detergent pods, stain remover, dryer sheets, lost button collection. Office, pens, cables, small tech accessories, notebooks. Children's room, small toys, art supplies, books. The principle is Japanese in the most fundamental sense. One system with multiple applications beats 5 specialized systems with limited use. The clear pockets eliminate searching. The door mounting eliminates floor and counter use. What makes this a wow product isn't the product itself. It's the realization that you already own doors, and doors can become organized storage in any room without spending money on furniture. 4. Vacuum compression storage bags. This product does something that genuinely seems impossible until you watch it happen. A winter comforter, the size of a large suitcase, compresses to the thickness of a large book, not approximately, literally. Vacuum compression storage bags remove the air that everything textile is mostly made of. Clothes, comforters, blankets, pillows, 70 to 80% of their volume is air. The bag removes that air. What remains is the actual material, compressed flat, stackable, and protected from moisture, dust, and insects. Japanese homes use this for seasonal rotation, the principle that off-season items shouldn't occupy active storage space. Winter clothing goes into vacuum bags in April. The space it occupied becomes available for summer essentials. The result, a closet that seems to have doubled in size without modification. The bags re-expand exactly when you need them. Open the valve, and the textiles return to full volume. The compression is fully reversible, and the bags are reusable indefinitely. This is one of those products where the ROI calculation is immediate. The space recovered is often equivalent to an entire additional shelf, drawer, or closet section. Ocho más. Before we get to number 3, which genuinely changes how you think about one specific space in your home, I want to mention something quickly. Everything we teach on this channel about Japanese organization, space design, and the philosophy behind how Japanese homes function, it's now in one place. The Japanese system, Make Your Home, Organize Itself. 49 pages, room-by-room guide, printable daily and weekly checklists, the complete framework for a home that maintains itself. Right now it's $19. The link is in the description now. Number 3. 3. Underbed storage drawers with wheels. Every bed in America is floating above unused space. The average queen bed frame creates 8 to 12 inches of vertical clearance. Across the entire bed footprint, that's roughly 30 cubic feet of storage space that most households use for exactly nothing, or for the random items that migrate there and are never seen again. Japanese design treats underbed space as primary storage. Rolling underbed storage drawers with wheels are designed specifically for this space. Low profile to fit the clearance, wide enough to use the full width of the bed, on smooth rolling wheels so they slide out completely without resistance. The Japanese system for this space, seasonal rotation, off-season clothing lives under the bed in these drawers. Extra linens, items used monthly rather than daily, the things that earn storage but not prime storage. What makes this a wow moment is the calculation. Most American homes have 3 beds. 3 beds times 30 cubic feet equals roughly 90 cubic feet of storage that currently exists but isn't being used. That's more square footage than many walk-in closets. The space already exists. The drawers make it accessible. 2. Tension, rod cabinet divider. This is the product that requires no installation, costs almost nothing, and solves a problem that has defeated every other organizational product people have tried. Cabinet dividers using tension rods. The problem they solve? Vertical storage in base cabinets, cutting boards, baking sheets, pot lids, sheet pans, all of these are flat vertical items that cannot be stacked efficiently. They always end up as a leaning pile where you have to remove everything to get to the one at the back. A tension rod extends horizontally inside the cabinet, held in place by pressure alone. No drilling, no adhesive, no tools. Placed vertically, multiple rods create individual slots where each flat item stands upright independently. Every cutting board, every sheet pan, every lid has its own slot. You see them all at a glance. You pull out exactly the one you want. Nothing falls. Nothing has to be moved to access anything. The Japanese concept, vertical organization for horizontal problems. What lies flat and gets buried stands upright and becomes immediately accessible. Installation, extend the rod. Place it, done. Under 60 seconds, 0 permanent modification. 1. Magnetic Wall Organizer System. We've reached number 1. And this is the product that most completely represents what Japanese space design actually is. Not a container, not a drawer, not a shelf. A system that converts any magnetic surface, your refrigerator, a magnetic board, a metal panel, into infinitely reconfigurable storage. The Magnetic Wall Organizer System consists of modular components, containers, hooks, paper holders, spice jars, utensil cups, and shelves, all with strong magnetic bases that attach instantly to any metal surface and rearrange without tools in seconds. What makes this genuinely different from everything else on this list? It has no fixed configuration. The arrangement you install today is not permanent. As your needs change, cooking differently, adding new items, moving to a new home, the system rearranges in 30 seconds. The refrigerator side that currently holds a takeout menu and a magnet from 2019 becomes a complete kitchen organization station. Spices, utensils, paper towels, notes, charging cables, all accessible, all visible, all magnetic. Japanese organization philosophy is built on one principle more than any other. The space should adapt to the life, not the life adapt to the space. A fixed shelving system requires you to fit your possessions into its predetermined slots. A magnetic system rearranges itself around whatever you actually need. This is the difference between furniture that owns you and systems that serve you. And that, more than any single product, is the Japanese approach to space. 10 products, each one built on the same fundamental insight. The space you have is not the problem. How you're using it is. Japanese design doesn't add space. It reveals the space that already exists. Behind doors, under beds, inside cabinets, on the backs of walls, and activates it through products that require almost no installation and cost a fraction of renovation. You don't need a bigger home. You need to see the one you have differently. Start with one product from this list, the one that addresses the space that frustrates you most. All links are in the description, verified, organized by number. Subscribe, because every week we go deeper into what Japan figured out and the rest of us are still catching up on. See you Wednesday.